The Vkoocy pots and pans set non-stick is a great addition to any kitchen. It comes with 3 essential pieces. You get a frying pan, a saucepan, and a stockpot. These are the staple items you need for everyday cooking. The cream color is nice and will look good on your counter. The non-stick surface is a real convenience. Food slides right off, and cleanup is a breeze. This makes cooking more enjoyable. The Vkoocy pots and pans set boasts a healthy ceramic coating. This means it's PFAS-free. You don't have to worry about harmful chemicals. This is important information for your health. The pots and pans heat up evenly. This helps your food cook properly. The handles stay cool to the touch. This adds to your safety and convenience in the kitchen. Taking care of these pots and pans is simple. Hand washing with warm water and soap is usually enough. Overall, the Vkoocy pots and pans set is a solid choice. It offers good performance and convenience. The non-stick surface works well, and the cream color is attractive. While it's a 3-piece set, it covers the basics. For someone starting out or needing a refresh, this set is a good value. There's no fancy image or overblown disclosure needed. These are simply reliable pots and pans for your daily cooking needs. There are no complicated notes to consider. Pros: non-stick, healthy ceramic, PFAS-free, easy to clean, 3 pieces, frying pan included, saucepan included, cream color, induction ready, durable build. Cons: handles feel cheap, uneven heating, lids don't fit well, scratches easily, thin material. Small pan sizes, not very durable, difficult to clean. Features: non-stick, healthy ceramic, cookware set 3 pieces, kitchen pots, frying pan, saucepan. PFAS-free, cream color. This Vkoocy pots and pans set has 3 pieces for your kitchen: a frying pan and a saucepan. They have a non-stick ceramic coating, which means food won't easily stick while you cook. This set is also made without harmful chemicals called PFAS, making it a healthier choice for your cooking. The pots and pans come in a cream color. They are designed to be easy to use and clean. The Vkoocy 3-piece cookware set includes a frying pan and a saucepan, featuring a cream-colored, PFAS-free, healthy ceramic non-stick coating that is easy to clean and induction ready. However, some drawbacks include a perceived cheap feel to the handles, uneven heating, lids that do not fit well, a tendency to scratch easily due to thin material, and smaller pan sizes, leading to concerns about overall durability and cleaning difficulty despite the non-stick claim.